All right, today we're doing a Thanksgiving tradition. All the boys are getting together, making some sausage. So we're gonna walk you through here just a little bit of our process and what we got going on. This is my brother Matt.
What's up?
Not as good looking as I am.
Not even close.
Why don't you start with how much sausage we got here?
210 pounds of the ground pork.
And what kind of ground do you go with?
Pork.
Pork, but what, is there a certain? Shoulder and butt.
Yeah. Now you can't go the route of getting the pork butt, cutting it off the bone, and then regrinding it, but to save time, because we all do this after work, we always go with the ground pork.
So it looks a little thicker. Do you have them grinded how many times?
Just one. And then we season it. We also grind it through the grinder one time before we stuff it in the casings.
Talk a little bit about your seasoning you got here.
Seasoning, got a little of black pepper, the restaurant grind, got a little ground rosemary, a little crushed red pepper, a little bit of the NaCl4, salt to the layman, and some vino. Homemade, of course. Can't use store-bought wine. Need to use homemade vino.
And then what's this here?
These are natural casings. They come in a big bulk, and you have to rinse them out, get them on a spigot, get water run through those things. That's the worst part of this whole thing. It took about 3 hours to clean all those up.
Why don't you tell me a little bit about your grinder here?
Grinder, this dates back probably to 1930. This was Grandpa Brown's grinder. He was a caterer, and this thing has some miles on it. I can't even imagine how many pounds of pork this thing's put out. But still runs like a champ. Never been serviced and just continues to grind and grind and grind.
And these are some of the things you can use there. This is the device there.
This is the housing for the sausage. This part here goes on the front of the motor like this. This part goes up here, and you store pork up here as you're feeding it through the system. And on the end of this contraption here go your different attachments. You have your this helps to grind it with your grinding wheel here. This goes on the end to hold all that in place. The auger for inside the sausage machine helps push this pork through the machine. Then just some knives. And you got your piston to help push this thing right through. Once it's all hooked up.
Okay, how many guys we got coming over today?
About 15 coming this year.
Okay. So next we'll see us in some action, starting to get the mix going. And then putting everything through.
You got it? 15 times?
Yes, like you said, yeah.
I got 110 pounds. This will be easy. I haven't changed my colors this year, see that?
If you find this one.
They did that one. I told them 200, then I needed to add 10 pounds, so I threw it in the end. Grind Pat.
Coarse ground.
Dear God, here we go.
Whoa, this is all messed up. How come there's no pricing next to my sister?
You grab it?
Yeah. Because you got 50, right? So 50.
What are we adding in here?
Coarse ground pepper.
Restaurant ground.
Coarse ground pepper. You mix it in 50-pound batches. We got a little ground secret here of how much you go in. We got coarse black pepper. A little bit of russet trace. This is the specialty here. Just a little bit. A little bit of russet trace. A little bit of.
Little bronchitis in it.
Yep. A little bit of salt. Matt got the cheap salt.
Matt, who has the new ramp out there? It is beautiful.
A little bit of crushed red pepper.
I have some gloves.
Yeah.
No more.
No gloves.
How about the storm stand?
Italian secret is the Italian wine.
Huh?
A little bit of bacon.
Yes, you know it's not.
You have to go land inside.
Perfect.
What's going on, man?
Eric, get the dog inside.
That's it. Mix it up.
Oh, boys.
What's going on? I don't think maybe that.
I've mentioned before in the past that Murray's been, it's been a while. We had spring cleanup. Eric was at spring cleanup with us this year.
How about the assembly of this thing? It just goes.
You're good.
Pour out of the ring.
Now I put the top assembly in.
Our conference champions, though. It's like, are you kidding me?
Tighten her down. Get the auger.
I could be wrong.
And the auger in. No blade.
Which way does the blade go in?
No blade. No blade. Just a packer. Funnel. Steering wheel.
Do not use or packing casings. Only the auger and nozzle. I'm just saying. Matt!
Follow the directions.
Voila, we plug it in.
Good stuff.
Now we're loading the casings onto the nozzle.
So what is this here?
We got some pig and test.
I'll put it over my
Hey Eric, I need a little bit of water.
Just set that thing on there.
Hey, can you give me a tub with the water? This is the sailors, man.
Why do you keep it in the water?
If you don't keep it wet, it's a little Now when you get these in bulk, you got to take them out, wash and clean them. Run cold water from them before you Hey Matt, let's get the meat ready. Let's get the meat ready. So let's get the meat ready so the casings don't dry on the nozzle.
Get on these guys. I gotta go flip the burger.
You don't want to shove it in the hole yet. What you do is keep it away from the hole. What you're going to do is you break it off, like chunks, a little bit at a time. You don't want to feed it too fast, you don't want to feed it too slow.
Okay. So how much we get? Just say like that. That's like enough for now.
Yeah. So ready? So you need that
Pushing it in.
nice and slow. Don't
Got a lot of responsibility for the deal. How far down do I push it?
loading the auger right now. There you go, nice and slow.
say it's probably about like 60 pounds.
Huh?
Probably like 60, 70 pounds.
What's his name? How is it?
Yeah, I think that way you can do a straight run.